Hello! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Okay, before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Hama Fit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the app, or rather for the notifications to work. We can do it in two ways. We can either open the Hama app and do it in the app, or we can press and hold on the icon, tap on App Info, Permissions, and here we can allow the required permissions. I'm just gonna do it through the app, so let's open the app, tap on Device. Here we have Call Notification and Notifications. First, let's tap on Call Notification. So basically this is for the calls. So if you want to receive the reminders about calls, so if somebody is calling you, your watch will vibrate. You need to tap on the switch to enable it. And now you need to allow the required permissions. So let's tap on Allow. And here we can also customize the delay for the notification. So basically you can set the delay to like 10 seconds. And the watch will start vibrating after 10 seconds after the call comes through on the phone. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to save, like that. Now let's tap on the notifications, and here we need to rather allow the notification access for the Hama Fit Pro application. So let's tap on Hama Fit Pro, tap on the switch, tap on Allow. Now we'll go back to the app. And now we can enable the notifications. So let's tap on the switch. And here we can customize it. We can enable the calendar notifications or disable them, email notifications, SMS, and also Gmail, Telegram, and YouTube. Enable what you want, like that. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try to send myself a message on the Discord, and maybe we will receive the notification on a watch, but I kind of doubt it. We got the notification on our phone, but like I predicted, we didn't get it on the watch, because as you could see before, we can only enable the notifications for apps like calendar, email, SMS, Gmail, Telegram, and YouTube. So if I try to send it from Discord, it's not gonna receive the notifications. Okay, but at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. If you miss any notifications on your watch, you can wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the notification menu, or you can open the menu, scroll down, and no, never mind, you can't. So basically you need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.